So let's go to secret number 1. They get the viewer on YouTube. YouTube, us as a creator, you got to win the click, right? So the first T, topic, all right? Before titles, before thumbnails, before anything else, number 1 is topic. And what I think about is topic, the 3 Ps, a lot of acronyms here, right? But hopefully this will help you remind it. When figuring out a topic, think of 3 Ps. Think of passion, think of proficient, and think of profit. So what does that all mean, right? Passion. It's got to be something that you're passionate about, right? So when I came into this whole YouTube scene, there was a couple different things that I wanted to try. I was trying gaming. I like gaming, but gaming kind of went in fads, and it was kind of like, all right, I like this one game, and then that lasted a couple months, and then I went to this different game, and I'm like, is this something I can see doing long term? Now, for some people it is, right? And kudos to them, that's great. But for me, that wasn't my passion. Then I'm like, all right, tech. I like cameras and stuff like that. I started creating a couple things, and then I'm like, this isn't something that I can see long term, right? All right. And then I was thinking, all right, maybe cooking. I've been in the food business for almost 20 years now. And is this something? And I can't see it long term. And so I really got thinking, I got trying some stuff, and I'm like, okay, YouTube. I've been a teacher and a coach my whole life. I have a teaching degree. I've coached high school football for 4 years. I've done all kinds of teaching and coaching. I want to help people. I want to coach. I want to teach. I have experience in that. What am I passionate about? Well, I'm passionate about growing on YouTube. I watch so many YouTube videos, so many podcasts, all this Think Media, vidIQ, I can't even name them all, Daryl Eves, Chris Johnson, all kinds of people. And I'm like, that's my passion. I could live and breathe coaching YouTube, teaching YouTube, helping other people grow, seeing success, seeing wins, seeing other people just upload content and putting action to it. So I'm like, that's my passion here. Proficient. What is something that you're proficient at, right? I'm not proficient at knitting, right? I'm not proficient at gardening. So I'm not going to create a gardening channel because I'm not proficient at it. I'm not skilled at it. Now, YouTube growth, I mean, I don't have 100,000 subscribers, right? But I am learning stuff as I go. I'm taking stuff to heart. I'm seeing what other people do. I'm learning all this stuff. I'm putting it into action. I'm testing it. And then profit. This really is there growth on YouTube with this, right? Can we make money? Now that doesn't mean just pick a topic that's going to make you the most money, right? You got to have those other 2 points first. You got to be passionate about it. You got to be proficient in it, but profit too, right? Maybe I'm passionate about typewriters and I'm a great typewriter, but I'm not going to make typewriter videos, right? Because there's no profit in that. There's no reliability to where it is right now because no one's buying typewriters, right? So I'm not going to make typewriter videos. Next thing, next T is title, right? So even before I press record. Even before I press record, even before I do any editing, even before I do thumbnails, is I want to figure out a title. Okay. So what is my video? What is my topic? What is my video for that day going to be about? Am I answering a specific question, right? How to unclog a toilet, how to make a channel banner, how to answer specific questions. YouTube is the #2 search engine on the internet, right? Google is #1, YouTube is #2. YouTube is owned by Google, so really they kind of go hand in hand. So it's the #2 search engine. I know when I started my editing and everything, I would always go to YouTube. How to blur background in DaVinci Resolve, how to edit in DaVinci Resolve. What are the best settings for my Sony ZV-E10, right? Just last night, what's the best lighting setup for YouTube videos? So it's a huge search engine there too. Maybe you're reviewing specific products too, right? The Sony ZV-E10 is the best camera out there. Now I'm reviewing it, right? It's not really a how-to. I'm saying it's the best camera out there. It's a review. Or you're an entertainment channel. I can't believe he did this, right? Or a gaming channel. I can't believe I conquered this level, or I conquered this level by, right? You got to create some curiosity, create some intrigue. Why should the viewer click on your video, right? Now, if I'm making a gaming video, I've been playing some Apex Legends lately, right? I'm not going to be like Apex Legends season 11 gameplay, right? There's no intrigue on that though. But maybe I'm going to put, I can't believe I got this many kills, or this happened at the end of the game, right? Creating intrigue, creating that hook for them to watch more. Maybe that viewer is going to click on the video too, right? Why should you click? You got to win that click. Figure out your topic first, right? If some of us have been uploading videos, we probably figured out our topic. Now let's go to figuring out that title. And then correlating with title, the next T is thumbnail, right? So when I'm thinking of thumbnail, I'm thinking of the 1.8 second rule. So you have 1.8 seconds to catch your viewers or your potential viewers' attention, right? They're scrolling through YouTube and they have all these videos to look at. So how can you get their attention? Keep it simple, stupid, right? Keep it simple. Thumbnails is not the place to be adding all these crazy graphics in the background and all these different layers and everything. Some of the best thumbnails out there are broken down into 3 elements. Maybe a face, right? Mr. Beast does that right up there. Great emotion. People are like, oh, it's a YouTube face, but it's the face. You got to create emotion, right? I'm not just going to create a thumbnail face and go, and just put it on there, right? I'm going to look shocked. I'm going to look disappointed. I'm going to look mad. Create some expression on there, because expression really conveys that to the potential viewer. And they're like, oh, why is he so mad? Why is he so happy? Why is he so shocked? Maybe I'll click on this video. And then a graphic in there, right? So maybe if you're talking DaVinci Resolve, you have the DaVinci Resolve logo, or there's like Squid Game logo if you're creating those type of videos. And then be careful about words too, right? You want those words to pop. If I have an orange background, I'm not going to put red lettering on an orange background, right? Complementary colors. Maybe an orange background with blue lettering on top of it. Something like that. Something that can really pop, and only a max of a couple words. Don't write all these words that are super tiny, because you have 1.8 seconds to catch that attention of the viewer. So let's and then also when it comes to words too, don't copy your title, right? They should be complementary of each other. So maybe your title is, this is how to unclog a toilet, and then on the thumbnail be like, it took me 30 minutes ... Don't repeat those. Really make them complementary of each other. All right, I won't give away the second secret yet. Maybe I did there for just a second, but if you are getting any value here so far in the live stream or in this video, please kick that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out in the community. I don't want you to miss another live stream or a future video to help you grow on YouTube. Also, if you want to learn more about StreamYard, click the link in the description. I do have that 30-minute video breaking down every setting, and there's also a link in the description to give you a free 14-day trial of StreamYard. It's really great that I'm using here.